The one more experiment you can do, that is a personalization. Personalization is nothing but something you are modifying here on a about us page by creating a variant, and that variant will be shown only to the one who are visiting our website coming from the Google Ads. In the sense, we are posting a Google Ads. Who are all click on that particular Google ad. Okay, for them it will be shown that particular about us information. Okay, such personalization also you can check by using a create experiment. We can say just give a name and which page you would like to modify. That is the we have to select here. You would like to modify the about us page, so selected a about us page. Personalization, select here personalization and create. Once you have been created, it will ask make site changes, what you would like to change in a site. I will say that okay in about us. Okay, here I would like to change like background color. I'm taking a simple examples like a color change and all. Save. Then you can also add a borders. Okay, like this you can do and say save. Two changes you have been done, save. Okay, whatever the changes you have been done in that particular page, we are going to target, we are going to show that particular page here. Targeting audience, customize, Google Ads. We'll select a campaign, or we can say entire account level, or you can take the keyword level. Okay, because we don't have a running ads now, we'll not be able to select for a Google Ads. We can select for other things also, like device category, like a mobile. Okay, this particular variation will show those who are visiting our website through mobile. Like this we can add the targeting audience, we can add targeting audience. Then we can select the, we can start directly. In the sense, here there is no objective. Here what we are going to do, the edited edited page will be shown only to the those who have been visited your website through mobile, so that we'll come to know that is it original one is better, or is it a variation what we have been done that is better in a mobile. To check that one, we are using this particular experiment. We can start experiment. Started, it is running now. You can edit or you can end anytime. Okay, it will not be having any schedule, because this variation will be shown to the targeted audience. Which is a targeted audience here? Visitor, website visitor through mobile. Okay, so to check that one, whenever you would like to end up the this particular variation, you can end by using a end option here. Go back to the dashboard here, and you can check the personalization has been started. Okay, the one more thing is that there is a banner template we learn in the next video.